As a food manufacturer, I mean, it's crucial that we've got full traceability of all of the products, what goes into them, where they've been sourced from, and WinMan helps us because it will keep track of all the different batches of product, how we use them, where we use them, and when. Condimentum's a fascinating business. It's come out of the desire of the growers who have supplied Coleman's, for, in some cases over 100 years, wanting to become more involved in the manufacturing process. Condimentum has created and built the facility, the new mill, the mustard mill, one of only 3 in the world of this technology. To be able to mill mustard down to a fine flour, and also the mint processing, in which we will take mint provided by local farmers, all of which are within sort of 30 minutes of the plant, to provide Coleman's mint sauce. We are FSSC 22,000 accredited. We're also looking in the future at going to BRC. Key with both of those is the ability to do product traceability, to be able to sort of simulate a scenario in which, if we had a recall, we could identify very quickly which manufacturing batches were affected, which products will be affected, and what components may have been used in those. WinMan has front to back and back to front traceability, meaning whether we're given a challenge from a supplier to say that they've issued some components to us and aren't up to standard, or whether an issue has been found at the customer end, we can very quickly find out exactly what's affected and what else we need to do. I look after the IT, I look after the finance, I look after the planning, the procurement, all sides of that. So pretty much everything I do relies on WinMan. I rely on it for the month-end accounts, and the accounts team is myself and one part-timer. I rely on it for the planning team. I rely on it for all the goods inwards and shipments. WinMan is crucial to what we do, but it has to be able to be run by a very small team as well. We're lucky we don't have a particularly complex set of materials, but we do have to go for very quick turnaround. We've deliberately built a facility with relatively little storage, so we can't afford to be holding excess stocks. So it's crucial that we're able to plan and reflect changes in the demand. And over the last year, with the changes of COVID, it's been crucial that we've been able to respond as quickly as we could. We've actually found WinMan really easy to work with. It's obviously been a strange year to have gone live on a system, but I think it helps that they are a UK-based, supplier of manufacturing software. They understand the environment we operate in. We've had a very good relationship. They've been very responsive. A mixture of obviously on-site, in-person work and then remote work during the shutdown. And despite all of that, they seem to have coped with whatever we've thrown at them. The whole sort of focus on the next 2 to 3 years is around continuous improvement. How can we do things better? How can we do them quicker? How do we reduce the inefficiencies? How do we reduce the administration effort? Without WinMan and the sort of flexibility of WinMan, the ability to have mobile phone apps, we'd really struggle, to drive that flexibility and that efficiency down onto the shop floor. And WinMan Go really is the basis on which we're going to build that next level of efficiency internally. Next for Condimentum is growth. We've started this business manufacturing-wise just over a year ago. We're now looking at taking on new customers, new products, and basically expanding from here. This is the start of something, for Condimentum, and it's the start of a journey with WinMan as well.